Okay, today we will be reviewing the Hydrosteel heavy duty hose, the ultra performance steel hose. This is the 50 feet hose I purchased, and I've already taken it out of the container that it comes in. The hose and everything is right there. That's come out of the box just like that. Um, as you can see, it comes with some instructions, some information. It also comes with a nozzle. That's pretty neat that it does come with a nozzle. So those are the parts that come inside there. Just remember, I'm going to go over here right quick, and that when you open this, there's a little tab right here on the side that you have to break off. You break that little tab off, and you can pull the top off of it, and you can get the contents of the hose out of there right there. So also it comes with instructions right here. As you can see, if you open it up, it has a bunch of instructions here that you can read before you use the hose. Okay, also comes with some more information if you want to look at it and read it. Okay, it says, please note the Hydrosteel hose works best with a spray nozzle that's included. How about that? This is the spray nozzle that's included with it. It's pretty nice. I guess you just turn this like that. That's your hookup. Already has your washer in there. That's pretty nice. So we're going to try to hook this hose up and see how it works. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to pan the camera around. Let me see. Yeah, about right there. That should do it. I'm going to take the hose out, hook it up, and we're going to see how it works. This hose is ultra flexible. It's made out of rubber and stainless steel. Man, this is really nice. It has a good grip on it. Stainless steel ends on both ends, both connections. Already come with washers. Man, this thing is ultra flexible. Wow. It's not one of those collapsible hoses, but it's flexible and real. It's not heavy at all. Very light. So we're going to open it up. I'm just going to drop it down and just go out with it. As you may have noticed, it wasn't any kinking. It didn't roll up. I just went straight out with it. It's very flexible. It pulls right out. Man, this is really, really nice hose already. I really like it. You know, just by not having to worry about kinks, not worrying about comeback. Got to unloose and untighten it. It's very flexible, very good hose. Now I'm going to hook it up and we're going to see how it works. Okay, we're going to take the nozzle that it came with and just easy hook up. Just twist on really easy, really good. Hand tighten. It looks good. I really like it. I'm going to turn the water on. We're going to see what we got. Wow, look at that. That's nice. Man, this is really nice. All you do is turn this to change your flow. It's more of a mist now as I turn it. And look how far it goes out. Wow. Wow, that's awesome there. Man, that thing is awesome. Look at that. I like that. That gets really, really out there. It's very easy to, I want to pull on it. Easy to pull. It's not tangling up. Not heavy. I can throw it out. Change the direction of it. It flows. I want to turn it this way. Like a fire hose. Mist. Man, this is nice. I really like this. Man, I like how flexible it is. Look, even with water coming through it, it's still flexible. You can roll it up even with water coming out of it. Man, you just throw it out, it comes back out. Man, this is great. I really like it. This is a nice hose. I'm glad that I purchased it. I like the flow of it. It comes with the nozzle. You don't have to worry if you don't have one. It comes with it, which is great. Most hose pipe don't. This is really nice. I really like it. Turns off. This is great. So I recommend this hose. If you're interested in one, it comes with the nozzle. It's very durable. It's flexible. Man, this is nice. It's not heavy. And it's made out of stainless steel and rubber. This is a great hose. I recommend it. If you're interested in it, I'll leave a link below the description. Hey, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.